So it's Britney's theme song, Cotton Candy, versus Harley's Let's Get Rowdy by Erin Pritchett, because I think I know where she gets that rowdiness, because she gets it from that song. And yeah, I heard what Harley said, and she just made me laugh. And I guess Britney didn't realize that Harley is the rowdy party animal type of a sister I have, because sometimes like she'll just blurt things out. Because when I saw her walking around this morning, oh my god, was she ever intoxicated? Not with alcohol, but I just saw like a 2-liter iced tea. So I was just drinking a 2-liter iced tea, and I told her, Harley, you're gonna get sick. She's like, you're not the boss of me. I'm the boss of me, but you're not. Because Harley has more sense of humor than Britney ever will. Because when they versed each other that one time, I think it was in Cali Separate, Nashville North, and I think it was like a beer drinking match or something, and I guess my little sister won that because oh my god, she was sick the next day. She was throwing up. She told me, promise me one thing. I'm like, what? Promise you'll never let me do that again. I told her, why, Harley? She's like, what do you mean? What do you mean by that? What do you mean, why? She's like, I don't wanna fucking die. I'm gonna fucking ruin my kidneys because of this. Like, I've been drinking for 7 long years, and it's time for me to give that shit up and start sobering up and give it a rest. I got Harley for saying that, because Britney will never admit to anything like that. Even my sister's quitting the party animal life now. Because, oh my gosh, she's 28 years old. She's 1 year older than me, because I don't want her to die, because she had 2 kidney transplants last year.